Hello Fly Babies, hello my patrons, hello my lions living in our new strength. It's me, your FlyLady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Tuesday, one of my favorite days of the week. It is your free day. So what we have is a 2-layer cake. Routines, and there are 5 of them. Morning routine, laundry routine, paper routine, after dinner routine, before bed routine. Those are spread out throughout the day. Then you've got your basic weekly plan item, and that is free day. So that's what we're going to enjoy. This is not going to be a default day. Oh, I guess I'll just make that a default day because I didn't do my work. No, this is going to be a day you plan for, look forward to, and enjoy. And then the third area that we're not doing today is zones. We're not doing zones because it's your free day, okay? You're still doing your routines, you're still doing laundry, you're still doing paper. Those things are in your routines. You're still making dinner, but there's time for you to enjoy yourself today. At least an hour. Take at least an hour for yourself. All right, next is, for those of you who are working, how do you handle your free day? Well, you get up and do your morning routines before the children, and then you put your children through their routines, and then you go to work. And at work, you do consider the weekly home blessing hour that you have delegated to a child, and if that's the case, or if not, it's not the case, you will be doing that because it's spread out over 5 days. So when you come home, you'll either be inspecting what you expect, or giving the consequence and doing the child's work, or doing the work yourself because it is your work and there's no one to delegate to. 10 minutes, you got this. So start your laundry, go through your paper, deal with the weekly home blessing hour item. You will skip the zone today, go make dinner, and enjoy the rest of your day. Okay, then after dinner, everyone's going to do the after dinner routine, which we talked about, and the before bed routines. That's it for today. I hope you have a lovely day, whether you're payroll or at home. I hope you take at least an hour for yourself today to do something because you love yourself. All right, that's it for today. Have a wonderful day, and always remember that you are beautiful. Bye.